I've learned firsthand that core strength is the foundation of functional movement and vitality, especially for us women over 50. Beyond just helping you achieve that toned midsection, a strong core is essential for maintaining stability, balance, and proper posture in all the things you do all day long. Whether you're lifting groceries, playing with your grandchildren, lifting that luggage up into the overhead bin, or just enjoying a leisurely walk, a robust core provides stability and support needed to move with confidence and ease. Furthermore, a well-developed core can help alleviate back pain, improve your posture, like I already said, enhance overall physical performance, enabling you to do all those things you love to do in life with strength and resilience. But did you know a strong core is not created by doing a ton of sit-ups or those 5-minute long planks? It's built by strengthening the foundation of our core, our pelvis muscles, or all the muscles that attach to our pelvis bones. Here are 7 starter moves that you can start today that's a lot of starts, to start building those pelvis muscles or the foundation of a strong core. Hey, it's Amy from Be Healthy Enough. My mission in life is to help women over 50 get moving and feel better even as those darn aches and pains of age start to creep in. I started this journey when I was 50, when I retired from my engineering project manager at HP, Hewlett-Packard. In this second career as a personal trainer and health coach, women over 50 gravitated towards me. Many of the women that came to my group classes or hired me to be their personal trainer came to me because they couldn't do the things I thought they needed to do to meet their goals, all right? When they tried to do the things they did in their 30s, they got hurt. But I knew they needed to keep moving, so I set about doing what I love to do, learn. I have now taken courses in corrective exercise with the biomechanics method, learning all about the body mechanics, and when our alignment is off, it can cause a host of issues. Then I took many, many courses in menopause fitness, osteoporosis fitness, and pelvis area, because those are the lovely gifts menopause gives us: bone loss and pelvis area problems. I got certified with Dr. Sarah Duvall. She's a physical therapist who specializes in pregnancy and postpartum corrective exercise. And she created this new course for health coaches and personal trainers. And I took it. I'm so proud to say I finished it. It was just as challenging as getting an engineering degree, let me tell you. So my mission right now is to share this knowledge to help you build a stronger core. Are you ready to improve pain? Not just in the pelvis area, but possibly the whole body, because the pelvis area is our body's foundation, okay? Are you ready to improve your posture and your balance? These exercises will help. But most importantly, being able to do the things you love to do because you have strong muscles, good mobility, and flexibility. Before I go on, make sure you watch the replay of my pelvis assessment, where we uncover your areas of weakness together. I'll leave the link below and above here. Now I'm ready to show you the top 7 beginner exercises you can do today to improve your pelvis muscles and create that strong foundation. You ready? Sit or lie down comfortably with your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. The main part of this exercise is to contract your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of pee or prevent passing gas. A fun visualization is to imagine pulling a marble up through your vagina and then zip up those skinny jeans. First inhale and release everything down there. Then exhale as you contract. Hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds. Inhale and relax the muscles and rest for 3 to 5 seconds before repeating the next contraction. Focus on isolating the pelvic floor muscles without tensing your abs, butt, thighs, and even your neck. Avoid holding your breath too long or straining during this exercise. Keep the movements smooth and controlled without excessive tension. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Squeezing a pillow or squishy ball can make this more effective. Exhale and engage your core muscles, then slowly lift your hips towards the ceiling, driving through your heels. Continue lifting until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds, focusing on squeezing your glutes and maintaining stability. Inhale and release as you slowly lower down. Keep your knees aligned with your hips and ankles throughout the movement. Avoid arching your back or allowing your hips to sag towards the floor. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your pelvis and maintain proper alignment. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Place a small ball or rolled up towel or pillow between your knees. Engage your core muscles and press your lower back into the floor to stabilize your spine. Exhale and gently squeeze the ball between your knees, engaging your inner thigh muscles. Hold the squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds, ensuring you maintain tension without straining. Inhale and release the squeeze, allowing the ball to return to its starting position. Keep your upper body relaxed and avoid tensing your shoulders or neck. Focus on isolating the inner thigh muscles without engaging the muscles of your butt or hips. Control the movement to prevent the ball from slipping out of place. Lie on your side with your hips and knees bent, forming a 90-degree angle. Align your feet with your glutes. Stack your hips and shoulders directly on top of each other with your head resting on your bottom arm. Exhale and engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine and pelvis, and slowly lift your top knee towards the ceiling, keeping your feet together. Hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds at the top of the movement, focusing on squeezing your glute muscles. Inhale, release the core and lower your knee back down to the starting position with control. Keep your pelvis stable throughout the movement. Avoid excess rocking or tilting. Maintain a neutral spine with your head, neck, and shoulders aligned. Focus on the quality of the movement rather than the height of the knee lift. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Exhale and engage your core muscles to stabilize your spine and pelvis as you extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, maintaining a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Keep your hips square to the floor and your spine in a neutral position throughout the movement. Hold the position for 3 to 5 seconds, focusing on reaching your arm and leg away from each other while keeping your torso stable. Inhale and return to the starting position, then repeat on the other side. Avoid arching your back or rounding your spine during the movement. Keep your shoulders and hips level throughout the exercise. Engage your core muscles to prevent excessive rocking or shifting of your body weight. Lie on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your legs lifted, knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Stabilize your spine by pressing your lower back into the floor. Exhale and engage your core as you simultaneously extend your right arm overhead and your left leg forward, keeping them hovering just above the floor or as low as your back will allow. Keep your low back pressed into the floor and your core engaged to prevent arching. Hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds, then inhale and return to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the opposite side. Maintain a neutral spine throughout the exercise with your lower back pressed into the floor. Keep your movements slow and controlled to engage your core muscles effectively. Focus on stability and balance, avoiding any rocking or shifting of your body weight. Stand with your feet hip width apart, toes pointing slightly outward and your chest lifted. Engage your core muscles and keep your spine in a neutral position. Bring your shoulders back and down. Inhale and lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your weight in your heels and your knees tracking over your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as far as you can comfortably go, ensuring your knees stay aligned with your feet. Exhale and push through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes and pelvic floor muscles at the top of the movement. Keep your chest lifted and your gaze forward as you squat. Ensure your knees stay in line with your toes and do not collapse inward. Focus on maintaining proper alignment and control throughout the movement to engage the targeted muscles effectively. How'd you do with these? It may take some time to get them down. Make sure you go slowly and safely, okay? If you want more, I created an ebook called Stronger Core, Stronger You, a guide for women over 50. In this book, you'll discover the secrets to building a powerful core that supports you in every aspect of your life. It'll provide more details on all the muscles of the core, a recap of these exercises we just did, as well as 3 workout plans and ways to modify and progress. All you have to do is click the link below and I'll send it to you right away. Don't let anything hold you back. Grab your free copy now and start your journey to strength and vitality today. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Have a great day.